Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you feel like you're wasting your time and effort promoting products that don't generate any income? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring affiliate marketers face the same challenges when it comes to choosing profitable products to promote. But fear not. In this article, we will guide you through 5 foolproof steps that will help you select the right affiliate products and maximize your earnings today. Step 1. Identify a niche that matches your interests. The first step in choosing profitable affiliate products is identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. When you are passionate about a particular topic or industry, it becomes easier for you to create engaging content and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Additionally, having knowledge and enthusiasm about the subject matter will make it easier for you to identify high-quality products within that niche. Step 2. Research the market demand. Once you have identified your niche, it's crucial to research its market demand. You want to ensure there is enough interest in the niche for potential customers who are willing to spend money on related products or services. Conduct keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to gauge search volumes for relevant keywords within your chosen niche. This data will provide insights into whether people are actively searching for information or solutions related to your chosen niche. Step 3. Evaluate product quality and reputation. Now that you have narrowed down potential niches based on market demand, it's time to evaluate product quality and reputation within those niches. Look for reputable companies or brands known for delivering high-quality products or services consistently. Check customer reviews and ratings on popular review platforms such as Amazon, Trustpilot, or Yelp. Positive feedback from satisfied customers indicates trustworthiness, while negative reviews should raise red flags. Step 4. Analyze commission structures and earning potential. While promoting products you genuinely believe in is essential, it's also crucial to consider the commission structures and earning potential offered by affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates, recurring commissions, or high-ticket items with larger payouts. Crunch the numbers to estimate your potential earnings based on average conversion rates and traffic projections. This step will help you prioritize products that not only align with your niche but also offer significant earning opportunities. Step 5. Test and track performance. Once you have selected a few affiliate products to promote, it's time to put them to the test. Create compelling content around these products using various marketing channels such as blog posts, social media posts, email campaigns, or YouTube videos. Monitor the performance of each product closely by tracking key metrics like click-through rates, CTRs, conversion rates, CRs, and revenue generated. Use this data-driven approach to identify top-performing products while tweaking your marketing strategies for better results. Conclusion. Choosing profitable affiliate products doesn't have to be a daunting task anymore. By following these 5 foolproof steps, identifying a niche that matches your interests, researching market demand, evaluating product quality and reputation, analyzing commission structures and earning potential, as well as testing and tracking performance, you can maximize your earnings today. Remember that success in affiliate marketing requires patience and persistence. It may take some trial and error before finding the perfect combination of niche selection and product promotion strategies that work best for you. Stay committed to providing value to your audience while continuously improving your marketing skills. Now armed with this knowledge, go forth confidently into the world of affiliate marketing. Start implementing these steps today so you can start seeing tangible results tomorrow. Your journey towards financial freedom begins now. Embrace it wholeheartedly.